Ladies and gentlemen, this is another beautiful day for us to meet. But today we are talking about something very, very positive about a certain prophet who is actually giving accurate prophecies. His name is Prophet Eliezer. I had to actually compile a number of his prophecies from Facebook so that I could give you things which have got receipts, which have got evidence, and things which have got timestamps. I know kune maprofita hobo anoposta pafacebook vanoita mapost ekunyora, and most of them they actually edit mapost avo and they come with screenshots and tell us what they would have done, how different it would have been, and then tichingozva kuti maprofita aya anenge akaedita maprophecies. This is just nothing but a scripted, edited and fast dated, tikati fast front forward vane chirungu chakanaka unyatsoziva, but future dated or something of that sort ameno. But these prophets vanouya nemareceipts anenge aine matimestamp ezvinhu zvinenge zvakaitika. This is Prophet Eliezer. Very soon you are going to be seeing him on this platform and more often in videos, because munhu anonyanyaita mapost ekunyora but munenge makuona in videos. So one of the prophecies that actually strike the most is the prophecy for the Pope. The new Pope was elected after Pope Vafa 2 days before that, when no one expected, hapana expecta kuti pane muprofita achauya akadaro. Prophet Eliezer gave a prophecy vakati the next Pope will be very instrumental in these end times. Could he be the last Pope before rapture or the second of the last? Take this as a sign. The next Pope is called Robert Prevost. Jesus is coming soon, sooner than later. Thank you. So these 2 days before, and munoziva kuti who was the people's choice panhau yapope iyi, vanhu vanga vachifavor Cardinal Sarah. People were expecting a black pope, but 2 days before that, musi wa6 May, Prophet Eliezer had already talked about the next pope. He also talked about the incident that would kill, the accident in particular, not incident, the vice president of Malawi, a year before it happened. If you check one of his posts, let's pray for Malawi. I saw about a year from now a plane that seems to have soldiers or is in government officials in the presidium falling in the forest. And vabva nemwedzi wacho uchaitika zvinhu izvi. He also spoke about a woman president coming into power in 2024 in Namibia. Before it happened, 2021, and you know the current president of Namibia is actually a woman. She was here in the country. I saw her pavakauya munomo pavakadresswa nana Ferdinand. She visited the museum and chichi. That woman president in Namibia that you see, ye mukadzi ye wamunoona uyo. You remember pakafa president yechibob pavakauya in acting president and incumbent president. I mean, I got sworn in. But after that, Mnangagwa said to be the president was actually a woman who actually won. And he also talked about the Zim election. But Zim election is super perfect allegory of what people thought and what actually happened. Vakapa a picture of something that was on the board. Mnachinyora pachoko, achinyora results, bepa richidona, and chi. I'm not going to talk much about the Zimbabwean prophecy. But this prophet Eliezer, a man who actually don't edit my prophecy, and we are going to convince him to do the prophecies in video so that pavanozo itika zvinhu izvi everything will be in video, vanhu monyatsoona, and all doubts will be cleared. Tell me what you think about this prophet, and I'll be glad to hear in the comment section.